Hi everyone, it's me Mira, and today I'm not going to make any creative video. This one will be just random one. I'm going to speak about some things which had happened in my life. So actually I don't like my voice on videos. You know, my recorded voice and my real voice are completely different. And as you know, I'm not a native speaker of English, so it's kind of hard for me to speak it. But anyways, I think that you'll forgive me for that. So the first exciting thing in my life is that finally someone responded to my video. The guy with the nickname Coconut Will, I don't know what that means, but anyways, he finally responded. So it was really exciting, and thank you for that, boy. You really made me smile and happy. You really made my week. So thank you for that, and I really like your videos. I hope that you'll keep making your videos, and good luck with your trip to China. The second exciting thing in my life, my biography was published in one magazine, which is called in Russian Журфикс. Here it is. Here is the scanned version of it. It was published in Yakutsk. As you all know, I'm in China now, so I wasn't able to read the original version. So one friend of mine sent the scanned version of it. Yeah, it's very glamorous me in Chinese dress. It looks funny. Here is me with my sister, with my boyfriend, and here is my brother with his group mates. Here's my biography, and they were asking me why do I make videos on YouTube, and is it for that reason that I want to be a pop star or whoever. But I said that I make my videos not for that. I'm making it only for having fun with my friends, and it's only my hobby. And the main reason I'm here on YouTube is just let people know about Yakutia, and I really hope that you enjoy my videos, guys. The third, I finally graduated from the university. Probably you know that I've been studying in Dalian University of Foreign Languages with a major of international trade and economics. So finally I'm done, and I'm going to go back to Russia to have some rest, and then probably at the end of August I'll be looking for a job with my major. So it's pretty exciting, and I'm looking forward to my new job. And first I'm looking forward to see my friends in Yakutsk. I think that's it for today. I was really happy to meet you all, guys, and I really hope that someone will reply to my video. So I wish you guys to be happy in this life and to live in harmony. I hope that everything is okay in your life, and just take care and see ya.